Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you have problem with your Instagram that Instagram not open on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing just try to restore your iPhone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab just write Instagram here, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.